Hello, my name is Mark. I've been working on my chainsaws recently after watching different videos how to tune your saw up and stuff. I've got a MS362 still, which is 59cc. Good saw, a little bit heavy, that's the only thing. That's a standard one. I've got a few of these CS580s, which are 58cc, Chinese Husqvarna clone. Now, I know it's got Husqvarna symbols all over it, but they're just stickers I just got off the internet. So anyway, I thought I'd tune it up, have a go at it, because I was quite impressed with the 362, the MS362. So I thought I'd see if I can get something like that out of one of these. So anyway, first thing I did, I deleted the base gasket, which lowers the bore, and at the same time raises the compression. I also ported it just to the exhaust port. I just widen the exhaust port. You don't want to be going too high or too low on your exhaust port because you're altering the transfer port timing. So I just widened it basically. Then I matched the inlet side of the exhaust silencer to the port. Also, what I've done is, if you can see here, here's a standard, what I call ram stack, which is the part that your air filter goes onto, which is there. This is this is one of the other ones that I've got. That's a standard, what I call ram stack. And there's the ram stack on this one that I've tuned up. You can see I really opened that up and made it trumpet shaped for more power. So those mods were very good. The other thing I did do, if you look at the front here, I built an expansion chamber. The point of the expansion chamber is to slow down the exhaust gaskets a little bit, because the exhaust gases come out at a sonic speed, and what happens at the tail of the exhaust gaskets, the exhaust gases start to drag out the fuel air mixture, and you end up with a wet exhaust, and obviously you're losing power. You will get higher speed out of it, but you will lose power. So I built a expansion chamber. Now what I started off with here, look, there's a bit of a cone shape, which you can't see very good because of this outlet pipes over it, but there's a cone shape here. Now originally I just put the cone on it and relied on these two ports here to let out the gases. Well, it didn't work really, because you couldn't stall it. It was powerful, really low down, but there was no revs on it really. So I rethunk things a little bit, and I got a piece of tube and bored a hole into the sonic cone, slid a piece of tube in so that it was about 3/4 of an inch away from the exhaust port, welded it in place, ran it before I put this outlet pipe on. Perfect. It was really, really powerful. Now I would say these are rated at 33.4 horsepower. The Stihl MS362 is rated at 4.8. This one now feels just like that Stihl. It's really, all the modifications that I've done have really made a big difference to this saw. But the thing I like about these is they're really light, really lightweight saws compared to the Stihl. The Stihl's quite a bit heavier. Cheap parts on them as well, you know, they're great machines. So yeah, once I got it going and everything, I originally put this outlet pipe on. I was having trouble with it. Once I put that on, I think I made it too long, so today I've just chopped this off a little bit, put my die grinder inside, cleaned up any burrs in there to get better flow, and now it's spot on, the same as it was before I put this outlet pipe on. The other reason obviously I put this on was to try and cut the noise down a little bit. It's still noisy, but it is a little bit better. So I hope you enjoyed my video. Maybe I'll do another one sometime. Thanks for watching.